Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all select this airplane layer and hide phone now. Select this layer earth and character layers, hand 1, hand 2, eyes and mouth layer, pin layer, also hide layers and this layer. So select these passport and ticket layers and move to center, and let's move to down like this. Let's enable title action save and go to text layer, right here time, and go to color. Let's use this color. Okay, and Control D for duplicate and move to here, right 2, again clicization tool, change font size and move to up, and select this time, Control D and move to right, and right here time to travel, clicization tool and move to right. So select these 3 text layers and passport ticket, move to center like this. Right now let's go to layer new and create null object. Hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center, clicization tool and move to here. Select this passport and ticket, link to null object. Select null and press S, change scale 0 and create new scale keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes, change 110. Go to 10 keyframes again, change 95. Again 10 keyframes, change 105 or 102. Go 10 keyframes, change 100. So there are more keyframes for bounce animation. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, so go to first second, hold shift press R and create rotation keyframe, chain rotation -20, and go to next keyframe, change 10. Again next keyframe, change -5. Next keyframe, change 2.5. Again next keyframe 0, and make it easy and hold Alt, move to right for randomly keyframes. Let's see. Okay, very good. And for now let's go to window, open Animation Compositor 3. If you have not Animation Compositor 3, I will add a link on the description below, you can use, and select these 3 text layers. Go to starter presets, text layer, animate characters, and let's use overshot animation, or let's try this. Okay, let's first select this time, click in. Let's see. Nice. Select these 2 layer. Let's use this text, click in, and last one, let's use, okay, we can use this overshot, click in, and in this time close settings and select these marks, move to right for slow animations. Okay, let's see. And first select this time, let's see. Okay, and next select this null object, press U, select keyframes and move to right for step-by-step animation. And next select this layer travel, move to here, and this, move to right. Okay, pretty good. Let's select these marks and move to left for more fast animation. Okay, so select this time and layer trail and 2. Let's press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes, select time and move to left. Select layer travel, move to right, and layer 2, move to up. Select keyframes, make it easy, and let's see. Okay, let's select these marks and move to left more, like this, and select 8 seconds or 10 seconds, work area, press N, Okay, select these keyframes, move to left, go to graph editor, select this graph, make smooth animation. Back to keyframe, select last keyframe, move to left. Select keyframes, move to left for dynamic animation. Okay, so in this time select this null object, go to here, change rotation like this, and go to next keyframe, change rotation for morphing animation. Go to graph editor and let's see graph. Let's select this keyframe, move to right. Okay, select this keyframe, move to left. Okay, go to graph editor again. Let's see. Nice. Let's select this keyframe, move to left. Okay, back to keyframes and go to last keyframe, change rotation. Go to next keyframe, change like this. Again, next keyframe, change to right for bounce animation. And here, okay, let's change a little bit to left. Okay, so in this time, let's select this earth layer, enable, and move to up. And move to here. Let's link to null object. And let's see. Okay, move to right. And let's see timing. Okay, so in this time, let's move to left. Nice. And go to back. Select this passport and ticket. Edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D. Delete. Nice, and let's select these layers, enable motion blur, also earth layer, enable motion blur. Nice, and let's move to left a little bit and press S, change scale 0, create new scale keyframe and go to here, change 100. Okay, pretty good. And back to keyframes, close these settings and select these character layers, layer body and hand layers, mouth layers, and select all of them layers. Move to up to earth layer. Okay, and select these layers. Let's change like this position. And select this layer body, move to behind of earth layer. In this time select this hand 1, go to solo and move the anchor point down. Clickation tool and layer hand 2, go to solo, move the anchor point here, clickation tool and select hand 1, link to hand 2. Select hand 2. Let's unsolo and select hand 2, link to layer body. Select body, go to solo and move the anchor point here, clickation tool and unsolo. Okay, and select these character layers. Move to right. Let's see timing. Okay, and select this mouth layer, eyes layer, link to head layer. Select head layer, link to body. Select head layer, go to solo. Move the anchor point here. Let's unsolo. Move like this. Press R. Change rotation. Nice. Clickation tool and in this time select this body and move it down like this and press P. Let's create new position keyframe. Move to right and go to here. Move it down. Let's see. Okay, and say keyframes, make it easy. Go to graph editor and select this graph, make smooth animation. Let's see. back to keyframes, hold shift, press R, and create new rotation keyframe, chain rotation. Go to next keyframe, change 5, or chain like this, rotation 3 or 2. Go to next keyframe, change 0. Select keyframes, make it again easy. And right now select this hand to 1 head layer ice mouth and move to behind of earth layer. Let's see. Go to edit and split layer and move to up. Let's see. Let's select this head layer, press S, change scale. And right now create new scale keyframe, go to here, change 100. Okay, make it easy. Let's see. Select this first keyframe, move to left. And let's select keyframe, move to right a little bit. Okay, go to back and select this hand 2, press S, change scale 0, create new scale keyframe, go to here, change 100%. And make it easy. Also, I will use motion blur for all of them layers. Let's click enable. For hide this cut. Nice, and in this time select this hand 2, press R, create new rotation keyframe, and go to here, chain rotation like this, and go to back, select this hand 1, press R, create new rotation keyframe, and go to here, change rotation like this, and select these 2 rotation layers. Okay, go to here and change like this. Again, next keyframe and change here. Okay, so select rotation keyframes, make it easy. Okay, so select last 3 keyframes, hold Alt, move to right, and select this head layer, press R, and create new rotation keyframe, move to left, and chain rotation like this. Go to here, and chain rotation. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see timing. Select this airplane layer and enable and move up. Press S, change scale and move to down. And I will use this airplane for scene transition. Let's press P, create new passing keyframe and go to here and use like this. Select keyframes, make it easy. Okay, let's see. Nice, and select this layer pin, enable, and move to up. And back to animation camsys 3, open 2D layer, and let's use overshot scale from anchor point. Click in, close window, click in and move the anchor point down for this pin, cancellation tool, and let's see. Okay, move to left, move to right this mark for slow animation. Okay, pretty good. Select this hand 2 and 1, go to edit and split delete. Let's see. Okay, and go to 1 keyframe again. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down keyboard. Select this body, go to edit, split and delete. And right now select this mouth layer, eyes and head layer, edit, split, delete. Okay. And select this earth layer, go to pen tool and let's create mask like this. And select this mask and press M. Let's open mask here, and right now let's create new mask path layer and go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, and go to edit, split layer, delete. Let's see. Nice. And here select this pin layer, edit and split layer, delete. Let's enable motion blur for airplane, and right now we can add here our logo and pack shot or phone numbers. Okay, not bad, I like it. And we can add some shape elements for much more dynamic. And let's back to animation comp 3, starter precoms and shape elements. And first let's use particle fireworks, select and click add. And let's see. Okay, let's move to left, and for now turn off motion blur. Okay, that's good. Let's see. And let's Control D, move to right for more particles. Okay, nice. And right now again select this particle, Control D, move to right, move to here. Okay, and go to FX Preset, search Effect Fill. Let's use fill for particle, change to color white. And let's move to here, Control D, and move to here, again Control D, move to down. Okay, very nice. And for airplane animation, back to animation comp 3, go to browse and use lines, click add and move to behind of airplane and move to here, and let's press R, change rotation like this, change -180. Okay, and select these lines, let's link to airplane. Okay, very nice. Let's select work area. Okay, and let's select lines, Control D, and move to down. Okay, very good. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.